Affect, effect, one's a noun, one's a verb, but which is which? Today we'll be looking at these two tricky homophones and figuring out once and for all just how to use them. Stick around till the end and we'll look at some exceptions to the rules as well. Both terms are illustrated here for us. The wind is affecting the leaves on the tree, and the effect of that wind is a leafless tree. Affect is a verb, and effect is a noun. Actually, affect is an action verb. Remember, those both start with A. It means to influence or bring about a result. Here's a sample sentence. The wind affected the leaves on the tree. Effect, just think of cause and effect. It's a noun and it means a result or a consequence. Here's a sample sentence. The effect of high winds was a leafless tree. Like in many other parts of the English language, if there are rules, there are exceptions. We normally consider affect to be a verb. Something affects something else. And we consider the word effect to be a noun. An effect is the result of something, maybe an affect. But there are times when the word affect is used as a noun and the word effect is used as a verb. We use the idiom effected change. We don't say affected change. Effect here then is used as a verb in this instance. Affect can refer to a feeling, an emotion, or a specific emotional response. In that case, affect is being used as a noun. Affect and effect can both be made into adjectives. Affective describes nouns related to moods, feelings, and attitudes, and effective describes nouns that produce desired or intended results. I'd like to challenge you over the next few days to use the words affect and effect correctly when you're having a conversation with someone or maybe if you're writing something. Please leave a comment below and tell me some other homophones that you'd like to have me do lessons on so I can help you get these words straightened out in your mind. Please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you like this video because we want you to never stop learning.